Hey everyone, so I caught up with Heavyn Unleashed on Instagram at SEMA. What's up, man?
How y'all doing today?
Yo, so Heavyn Unleashed is now on revision 3.
That is correct.
And y'all remember the chrome car. Whoa. All right, man, this looks super sick. I haven't been able to talk to you all week. People are coming up, talking to you. Everyone loves this car, loves this build. Amazing. Congrats, first off.
Thank you very much, man. It's been overwhelmingly supportive across the board. The week was amazing, tiring, but overwhelming with joy. Yeah.
So take me through what we got here. I love your taste in channels. Thank you so much. Representing. Take us through some of the changes since people heard from you last when we caught up on the podcast.
Yeah, so last time I instructed a lot of people about some of the issues that I was having with this car. Essentially, I was getting a lot of high voltage and low voltage issues. They buttoned down the high voltage issues, replaced the high voltage battery as there was something wrong with it. Once I went on air suspension, essentially, I ended up with a low voltage warning on my 12-volt battery. So it led me to want to try to dive deeper to try to solve this problem. Not Band-Aid it and keep putting new low voltage batteries in our cars. So me and my buddy, Tony Pham, who you also know as the creator and patent holder of Quick Bandit.
Quick Bandit, yeah.
He helped me create the What the Frunk as well as the trunk display where my air suspension is, but then also helped me solve the problem of our 12-volt battery issue.
Amazing.
So what we did was we installed a Deep Cycle Marine Epoch lithium-ion battery with Bluetooth control in the trunk of the car, wired it through to the compressors into a fuse box in the front, powered all my accessories through that, and then ran a up to 8 amp trickle charger to the 12-volt lithium-ion battery and up into the center console armrest 12-volt adapter. While I'm at car shows now, I really just have to leave my car on camp mode, and the battery will function all the accessories while I'm here.
That's awesome. And it's been looking good, dude. This air suspension since the chrome blue build, look at that.
Yeah, so we put Universal Air Solution Series struts on it. I could not be happier with those struts. I used the airlift management for the manifold control on the up and down, as well as monitoring the air pressure throughout the system. And I used 2 485 Via Air Gen 2 compressors. And essentially, like I said, it's all powered through a lithium-ion external battery. So with all that being said, I realized there needed to be one more touch. So I got in touch with my friends at Black Diamond, and they hooked me up with a really nice opportunity to grab the wheel of my dreams, which is their new release F29.
These wheels are super sick, man. I feel like it all came together really nice with this color is awesome. The air, the rims, and then of course, all of the details that you never forget.
Yeah, so I looked to my friend Mike Faith, who I do a lot of work with on the side with some of the friends in the Tesla community around our area to get me some all fresh new carbon. So we were able to replace the front lip, the rear diffuser, the spoiler, and the side skirts and make them fresh and new. As well as from there, we swapped the wrap from the chrome blue to a Nosatex metallic dandelion yellow. And then we use a Nosatex brand new, just released nano graphene coating before I came here. As I am a daily driven car, drove this 500 miles to SEMA and couldn't be more impressed with the graphene coating that is now on it.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so with all of these goodies here, what's your favorite detail of this car? Of all of the revisions, you got it at this phase right now, what do you like most?
This Universal Air Solution Series struts, I can't be more proud of. I do daily drive my car. So with my back issues and, me coming off surgery, this has been a dream come true of mine that I've dreamt to have air suspension for a long time. It was a big dream as a child growing up. And once I got in it and drove it with the air suspension compared to the cut springs or coilovers, it was night and day in comfort. And then a close second would obviously be my wheels.
Heck yeah. And little did young you know that you'd be debuting your air suspension at SEMA in the future tech section.
1 year removed from the SEMA Electrified, which was a true blessing in itself alone. But yeah, I went to that SEMA, not on air due to some logistical and financial situations. Obviously, it was, I couldn't make it happen last year, but this one really closed it out. The event was twice the size. The SEMA booth was amazingly attentive as far as how much was here for everyone to see. So it was really nice to have that ability to share that common goal with a lot of people that are doing this to cars that aren't just Teslas. And to hear the feedback, I truly was blown away.
I love that, man. Well, I know that you have some more big plans for this that we can't talk about now, but I have an idea, and I know it's going to be super sick. So everyone, stay tuned to see what Matt is going to be doing and getting up to in the future. Thank you, man, so much for taking the time.
Man, not a problem. It's always a pleasure. You
Heck
guys
yeah,
make sure to check out the channel EVTUNERS on YouTube. He's a great guy that goes around and does a lot of work for us, showing off the many things that you guys are capable of doing yourselves, just with a little ingenuity and some patience and maybe a little bit of money. But yeah, I have a lot of partners, a lot of friends that I have in the community that have helped me get to this point. And yeah, I share that passion with every one of them that sits here. All the way back to my childhood friends that helped me with the dream to begin with, So mini truckers, especially, they were a big influence on my life at a young age. So we got some pretty big plans in store for this in the next year or two. Yeah.
Awesome. All the links are down in the description, everyone.